Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. We don't give buy or sell signals here, so if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. Looks like it's going to be a slow day as I'm not seeing good setups pre-market. Maybe holidays hangover. I just have two stocks in my watch list. Ticker XL and ticker RMG. Ticker XL may be a continued momentum play. Last Friday, I traded this stock. So probably this stock may give me one or two setups. So I have it on watch. As of now, I do have some support levels identified around the 3050 area, the 3010 area, the 2980 area, and the 2050 area. I also do have a stop loss planned if the stock doesn't go as I expect. The next one I do have is ticker RMG. So RMG as of now, I'm keeping it on watch, but I'm not interested on it yet because volume is lacking. I'm interested in stocks that are having a pre-market volume close to around 1 million and over. So RMG has still a long way to go to get to that volume. And I obviously want the stock to retest the pre-market highs before I'm interested. But I'll keep it on watch since I don't have any other stock. I'll still keep it on watch. The market opens in another 12 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. The market opens in less than a minute and I'll be watching XL into the market open. XL is holding the trend while RMG is not holding the trend, so I'll be focused on XL. The market is open. I want the stock to give me a pullback before I'm interested. Just putting an order out there at 30.55. Maybe it would bounce off 31 area, but I'm not chasing it. Look at RMG. This is why it's important to wait for confirmation. You don't want to catch a falling knife. Maybe I'll not get an entry on XL, but I'm not going to chase it. I want the stock to come to me rather than me chasing the stock. Yep, I got the fill. Perfect. You have to be confident with your support levels. That's the key here. So let me put my next buy order around 30.20. That would be my next buying area. I don't mind taking profits around 30.90 just on 25 shares. I don't want to sell the whole position. So the low of this candle was 30.27 and I had an order around 30.20. Maybe I missed my second ad. 30.20 was aggressive, but I'll wait. I'm still confident. Not a whole lot of share size, just 50 shares. Maybe I'll get my second ad here. Just waiting. I wish I get my second ad. Yep, I got my second ad. Now I'm adding. I got at 29.90 and my final ad would be around 29.55. I got my final ad. Now I think I'll get into disaster mode. I do have a stop loss around 29.15. I still think that the stock has the potential to bounce to around 30.15, 30.20 area because the first 5 minutes was complete sell-off. So I want the 30 area to break. I'm in the money now. I sold the entire position at 30.22. I was in the red for a pretty long time and that's why I sold the entire position. So that was a risky trade, but I did plan for stop loss and exiting. I traded my plan. I did have the 4 levels. I got all the 4 ads and then obviously I sold anticipating that this support level would turn to be a resistance. And that's the reason why I sold it when I saw the stock move above it. I wanted to make sure that I am starting the week on a green note. So on the trade, I made a little over $33. I would take it and I'll move on. It was a pretty decent day of trading. I traded my plan and I'm happy with whatever the market gives me. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.